That took me 90 seconds, a CSV file and a browser. No plugins, no composition, no coding whatsoever. Let me show you why I built this, because a year ago this would have taken me half a day. I make data videos, and every time I wanted to show a table or a ranking, I would take a screenshot of an Excel file and put it into my video's timeline. It works, but it's exactly what it is, right? It's a screenshot. There's no animation, no live, and nothing that would keep my viewers engaged to keep watching. I just wanted my tables to look like they are appearing and written out while viewing this thing, not just a static file that we see there. And if I had bar charts, I would want that they are a little bit animated. So I went ahead and searched my options, and in DaVinci Resolve I could keyframe everything and make the lines so they appear like tables, but in the end I felt like that's not the way to go. So I continued searching. I found Menem. That's a Python library where you can like program your charts and diagrams. Very cool, very powerful, but a lot of effort. Look at all this code. This is what I was writing with the help of Claude Code, but still, and it took me forever, and in the end it was a 20-second short that I was showing there. So for me the effort never stood into relation with the result. Still quite powerful and cool tool. But I continued searching for a simpler tool, something where I have a CSV file, I drop it in somewhere, and then something is rendering and I have my result. But I did not find anything which really suited my needs. So I thought like, maybe I'm not the only one who has a problem. And I started researching and found like, yep, maybe I will program a little tool here that might help you as well as me. And maybe there's a market gap. So I wanted to go this route and try to develop my own app. And this is how it currently looks, framechart.com. I can upload a CSV file here, and I already get a preview of the last frame of the video. And then I can pick here different template. I could go for a line chart, or I could make it horizontal. I could also go ahead and change the color of the bars. And I can then on the export page add a little bit of motion blur. And then I simply hit export and I can see the preview, and I can also download the video. That's it. That's the whole workflow. This would have taken me hours in Resolve, and now it's done in a few clicks and seconds to wait. It runs entirely in the browser with a technology called Web GPU. So I really have a GPU available there and can add professional video stuff like motion blur or bloom functionalities. Another benefit is the final rendered export will not really have to be downloaded from the web, right? It's already produced locally on the client machine inside of the browser, so there's no slow download from the internet. This is the first version of the tool. I think it's already useful. You can try it out for free. If you do so, I'd love to hear some feedbacks via comment functionality or connect with me on my Discord, which is also linked on the framechart.com website. I still have some plans, especially like adding race bar charts and stack bar charts and some other chart types. But I'd love to hear especially things that are not chart related, which might be still missing. Things that you would need to have a tool that is useful. If you're interested where this project will go from here, please consider subscribing so you will not miss out on future updates.